Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these white chocolate no-bake cheesecakes. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to work on the base, so grab yourself a food processor and into it place all of your digestive biscuits and blitz them up until they're a fine crumb. They should look a little bit like sand. You can do this in a food safe bag with a rolling pin, then add in your butter, and once that's fully incorporated it should look like wet sand. You can then take that and divide it between your glasses. Try your best to divide the biscuit base as equally as possible. Once you've done that, you can press it down just a little bit using a spoon. Then to start on the cheesecake, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the large mixing bowl place all of your soft cheese along with the icing sugar. You can also add in the melted white chocolate, making sure it's not too hot and that you can handle the bowl before you add it in. If it's too hot, it won't work very well, so don't add it in too warm. And lastly, your vanilla extract, and then whisk this all together on a medium-high speed until it's thickened and everything is combined. Give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in all of the double cream. This is what helps the cheesecake set instead of using gelatin. Once you've got it all into the bowl, you can then whisk this in on a high speed until it's fully incorporated. You can't really over whisk it too easily, so don't worry, but you'll want to keep your eye on it as it will thicken up very quickly. Once it has thickened, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. To make the cheesecake filling easier to work with, you might find it better to place it into a piping bag. This will make it easier and cleaner to work with. So take your piping bag of cheesecake filling and just start to pipe it directly on top of the biscuit base. You can do it the way I've done it by swirling it all the way around and filling in the centre, or you can just pipe it directly into the middle and let it fill out, whichever way works best for you. Fill it right to the top, smooth and level it off, and then top it with some white chocolate chips and you're done. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and all the links to my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.